It's been vacant for 10 years, you
I
said?
think so. Maybe it's like more. It's hard to tell.
Uh-huh.
I've got a full story.
So it's a total good in the kitchen, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been some roofing stuff going on. It's little to no yard. The bathroom need a total gut too. Look like a basement down there, but
There's a light down there.
is it? Cause I'm going down there. I'm like, ah.
That's all of me.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It was light down here before.
But look, you know, I have glasses on for one. I can't see for another, and
Oh, hang on.
because I can't see a dang on thing going down here now.
You okay?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
What's the cobwebs?
Okay, thank you so much. I just want to really look at the. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You've got these things here.
Yeah, that's important. That's what I'm looking at.
That isn't too bad. The water stack is there. That's been changed.
Okay. Yeah, it
And the
has.
furnace. Furnace. Watch your cobwebs, right?
Oh yeah.
So the furnace isn't too bad either.
Okay.
Believe it or not.
Yeah, it's not
And then you've got the electric panel up there.
a panel. Okay, yeah, well, that looks
It's not too bad.
updated. It's not 200 amp though. Well, it might be 200 amp. Okay.
So these four things.
Yeah, those are the main.
It's just one big room really that's got this sort of boarded finish back in the 70s, I suppose.
Oh, okay.
I know.
Like some water. Has some water damage
Yeah,
down here
it's
too.
got a thing here, so that needs to be ripped out probably.
Yeah.